Don't follow me!
Paper towel, ma'am? How's it going in there, hon? Chance of rain or thunderstorms?
Kendra? Are you out there? Mr. Boom Boom? You're awfully quiet. What are they doing here?
I don't know. Maybe someone texted them and said that you said to come over for pizza so that Kendra could tell her parents that you invited boys over. But, I mean, who would, do that?
The wolf is right there. Did you see it?
No.
See what?
The wolf. Right there. The wolf is in that shot.
The shot that's completely black?
Yes, I forgot a light, but that doesn't mean he's not there.
Or she?
Wait, do you really think this wolf or whatever is real? You saw it?
Oh, it's real. I'm pretty sure.
I'm convinced.
Yep, and I'm going to be the guy who gets the footage to prove it.